Right guys, I've had this one a while laying around on the desk, but time to open the box. It's a CIVIVI Riffle, and this one's in brown micarta. Let's take a look at it. The usual CIVIVI case, great little cases. Can't have too many of these cleaning cloths there. Alright, the usual, kind of a boring CIVIVI sticker, that one, and the Elementum. The Elementum's pretty cool. So there we go. The brown micarta's got a bit of grip to it. Pretty nice. I like the cut open here. It's pretty light. It's be an easy carry, a really easy carry. It's about 4.5 inches overall, closed, and 3.38 ounces. Nice and light. I like the micarta. It's yeah, it's got enough grip to it. It's not too smooth. Jimping all around the flipper tab there, and a hole in it. Nice jimping here. Reversible clip. I do like the clips on these CIVIVI clips. I actually bought some extras for putting on other knives, and you get the little T6 countersunk screws too. Got a bunch of them. Get all this stuff on Amazon, that's where I get it from. There will be links below for the knife and the clips and the screws to help you find them if you want these things yourself. That's super smooth, really smooth opening on the ball bearings. Nice slicey blade. Let's see if it's a sharp slicey blade. Yeah. CIVIVI's normally pretty sharp. Liner lock. There's the lock up there. Nicely skeletonized, help keep the weight down. Droppy shut. So we got a grey stone washed 14C 28N. Razor sharp, and a flat grind there. Nice slicey knife. Yeah, super sharp. So T8 pivot and T8 body screws. The clip screws as normal as T6. Deep pocket carry, super deep. No mushroom head sticking up. You can get your finger around here, but it is pretty close to the cutting edge. But that's good enough. The flipper tab there and the scoop out here makes it nice and safe, so your hand's not going to slide down the blade. Not easily anyway. I like the shape. That locks in the hand pretty nice. Alright, so enough talking about it. Time to start carrying it. Catch you later, guys.